Welcome to the Daily Message. Once again, today we hear more about the ministry of Jesus in the Gospel of Mark. And in today's Gospel, Jesus performs yet another cure. He heals a leper. And then, and this is a characteristic of the Gospel of Mark, he tells the man not to tell anybody what Jesus has done, but rather to go to the priest. And of course, the man, after he's been healed, goes and tells everybody. He can't keep Jesus' secret. This phenomenon is known among the scholars as the Messianic secret, that Jesus tries to keep his true identity a secret until, as he says in the Gospel of Mark, until his hour has come. What does this say for us? I think there's an important message for us as believers in this gospel and in the theme of the Messianic secret. And I think it's this. When we do good deeds, we're called upon to keep them quiet. Because we are Christians, we don't need the affirmation and the adulation of others. As good as it feels, when it happens, we should be grateful for it. If it doesn't matter. As Christians, we are called upon to let our actions do our talking. And when we do this, we're following the example of Jesus, who, when he cured, when he healed, asked those whom he healed to keep his healing a secret. Thank you once again for watching.